Subscribe to Boostup Station if you haven't, and today we are going to fix this Android file transfer, or you can say MTP, not working in Windows 8, 10 and 11. So let me show you by connecting my mobile. So I am connecting it and it is connected. Let me turn on the USB into file transfer. So now it is turned on, and if we open the file manager, you can see we don't have anything related to the mobile device. And if we go to this arrow in the taskbar and you see this safely remove hardware, we are seeing this device here but not in this PC. So first of all, we are going to try fix number 1. Go to this location, copy it and paste it in this location here and press enter. Now you have to search for this file. Okay, copy it and search for this file, and you see we have this file right here, but we have TS in front of it. So don't worry about it. You just right click on it and click on install, click on yes, and operation completed successfully. If you don't have this file, you can download it from description. I will provide it. Now after installing this, you have to restart your machine. So let me restart it now. Start, power icon, and we have to restart it. It's okay if it shows you update and restart. It may also show you just a restart button. So you just have to restart it. So I have restarted my laptop. Now let me enable USB file transfer from the mobile and open the file manager, and we are still not able to see the device here. So let us go for the second fix now. Go to the start, type CMD, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes in the pop-up menu, and now here we have the command prompt. Just copy this command from here, right click, copy, and here just right click and it will be automatically pasted. Press enter. Command completed successfully. Let us try to disconnect and connect the device again. Enable file transfer. Still not working. It's okay. Now go to the device manager, fix number 3. Search for device manager, press enter. And here you will be seeing in the other devices MTP. If you don't see it, click on view and click on show hidden devices, and then it will appear. Right click on it, click on update driver, make sure you are connected to internet. Now click on search automatically. Now wait for it to search the drivers, and now here you see that it shows Windows was unable to install MTP. Close it from here, close the device manager. Now this might be the problem because media feature pack is not installed in N versions of Windows. Let me show you mine. The system, about, you can see this. I am having N version of Windows 10 Enterprise N. So that is the problem because of which it is not opening the device in the file manager. So let us open these two links in the browser. Both of them I will give in the description. And here we have it. So it supports these Windows versions, the N versions. And if you right click on your this PC, click on properties, you can see that we have a 64-bit operating system and we have Windows 10 Enterprise N LTSC version. So remember both of these things. Close it. Now go to the website, and if you look for here the LTSC, we don't see LTSC here. So it may not install if we download from here. Make sure you check your Windows version here. Alright. Otherwise you can go to this website where we have media feature packs for all of the Windows versions starting from 8, 8.1, 10 and upcoming will be 11. My version of Windows, this one is not listed here. So let me open the settings, go to system, click on about, and if you scroll down you see it is listed here 1809. So let me look for 1809, it is right here. So I am going to download this media feature pack. Now scroll down and click on this link here, Microsoft Software Download Service. Now select the edition from here 1809, as I had 1809. So now click on confirm, and I already told you that mine is 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download for the 64-bit and save the file. Let it download. So it has been successfully downloaded. Let us open it up and preparing the installation. And you can see it is asking us to install it. So just click on yes from here. Wait for it to copy and install. Now click on I accept the agreement, and it is installing the feature pack. So the installation is complete. Now we have to restart our machine. So just click on restart now. So now after installing the media feature pack and restarting the machine, if I open this PC, you can see my device here, and we have both internal storage as well as the micro SD card in the Android mobile. So it has fixed our problem after the fix number 4. If it still doesn't work, then you have to go for these fixes. Okay. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.